Hi, in this video for the Ferguson Ariva 150 combo receiver, we're basically going to show you how you can load your channel list from a USB memory stick, okay? So basically you can do this from any point in the box. I just have it here at basically first time install, so but you know, it's just a matter of going into the menu and finding the correct settings. So I'm just going to arrow over here as far as excuse me, tools, and then go down to upgrade by USB. So what you want to do at this stage, if you got the file from the website, the tvtrade.ie website, what we do with our software for the Ferguson Ariva 150 is we include the latest firmware with the channel list. So you're doing it all in one. So what you want to do at this stage is select all code and bootloader from this list here by using the left and right arrows. If you have the file on the thing, you should have it on a blank memory stick basically. So there's nothing else to confuse you, and it'll be called in this case backup.abs, and then you just hit start. So what this will do now is it'll write this software onto the box, and it'll include the channel list and stuff like that. So you can see there's a progress bar there. It's, you know, it's not a slow process, but it's not overly quick either, but you'll see it there anyway. So as it's just going through, what I should add as well, really, if you preferred, you could actually just, you know, you could have your channel list backed up by itself rather than including it with the firmware. But the problem with doing that really is that, you know, channel lists are fairly specific to the firmware they were made on. So if you get a channel list from someone that was made on a different version, your box could go a bit screwy. So the reason we include the firmware and the channel list is so, you know, for the avoidance of that particular issue. So you can see there anyway, it's up at coming up on 70% there. So as I say, you know, not quick, not a quick procedure, but you know, not too taxing on you either. So the box will do the work for you. So when it comes up then, you'll see what happens after that then. So we're coming right up towards the end here now. So at that point then, basically, the box will reboot itself. So I'm just going to let it come back up. The Ferguson Ariva 150 combo receiver basically you know, it has a fairly quick boot process on it, so I'll just let it come up there and show you what happens then. So you can see now I've gone from having no channels on my box to being fully pre-programmed for the UK free-to-air channels. So that's it basically in a nutshell, how you program your box, the Ariva 150 using a USB memory stick.